Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of making money online without needing a degree in rocket science, well, today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to make some serious money online using AI. And I'm not talking about building a robot army to steal everyone's loose change, though that's not a bad idea for a future video maybe. I'm talking about actually leveraging the most powerful AI tools out there to make bank. Trust me, even your grandma could do it assuming she knows how to click a mouse. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's dive into the world of AI money making. So, first things first, AI isn't just for sci-fi movies anymore. It's not some crazy futuristic concept. AI is everywhere. You see it in your social media feeds, those personalized ads that seem to know you better than your best friend, even in the recommendations you get on Netflix. And guess what? It's also your ticket to making money online. Whether you're a writer, an artist, a marketing guru, or just someone who knows how to follow directions, you can cash in on the AI revolution. So, are you ready to level up and become an AI money-making machine? Let's go! Let's start with something easy and creative, making money with AI art. Don't worry, you don't need to be the next Van Gogh or anything. If you've ever wondered how to turn your wildest imagination into actual art and get paid for it, you need to check out tools like Midjourney and DALL-E. You type in a few words, anything from a cat riding a unicorn to a futuristic cityscape, and boom, these AI tools generate incredible art. No paintbrushes, no messy easels, no art school debt. And the best part, you can sell these AI-generated masterpieces on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or even your own website. Imagine quitting your day job to become a full-time AI art mogul. You could be lounging on a beach somewhere, sipping on a coconut, while your AI art empire makes you money in your sleep. Sounds pretty good, right? All right, folks, let's talk about words. You don't need to be Shakespeare to make money writing these days. With AI, you can churn out compelling content faster than ever. Enter Jasper and ChatGPT, your new AI writing assistants. These tools make writing a breeze. Type, and you can write a blog post, email, or social media post. Even a novel with AI's help. Platforms like Medium, Fiverr, and Upwork are teaming with clients. Embrace AI and watch those writing gigs and the money roll in. Chapter 4, AI videos, lights, camera, AI-powered action. All right, guys, let's talk video. But hold your horses. This isn't your typical how to make a viral video spiel. This is about harnessing the power of AI to create awesome videos without needing a film crew or fancy equipment. First up, we've got Synthesia, the AI video creation tool. Create professional videos with AI avatars that speak your script in multiple languages. And the best part, you don't even have to show your face. No more worrying about bad hair days or perfect lighting. Choose your AI avatar, input your script, and bam, high quality video ready to share. For audio editing, video transcription, and voiceovers, meet Descript. It's like having a personal video editor that runs on pure AI magic. Chapter 5, AI marketing, from zero to marketing hero, no cap. Now let's get down to business, literally. AI isn't just for creative stuff, it's also here to revolutionize the way you do marketing. Say goodbye to those late nights stressing over marketing campaigns, and hello to AI-powered tools that do the heavy lifting for you. First up, we've got Adobe Firefly, the marketing and content creation tool that's about to become your new secret weapon. Imagine this. You need an eye-grabbing image for your next social media post, but you don't have the time or the design skills to create one from scratch. What do? You head straight to Adobe Firefly, of course. This AI-powered tool lets you create stunning images, edit photos, and even generate design ideas with just a few clicks. It's like having a personal design team at your fingertips, but without the hefty price tag. All right, folks, let's talk about scaling your content creation without breaking a sweat or breaking the bank. We all know that video content is king these days, but creating engaging videos can be time-consuming. But what if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that can turn your blog posts into captivating videos with just a few clicks? Introducing Fleeky, the automation tool that's about to revolutionize your video creation process. Here's how it works. You simply paste your blog post or article into Fleeky, and this AI wizard transforms it into a visually appealing video complete with images, music, and even voiceovers. No more spending hours editing footage or trying to master complicated video editing software. Fleeky does all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what matters most, creating awesome content that resonates with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the complicated video editing software, say goodbye to those all-night editing sessions, and embrace the power of AI-powered video automation with Fleeky. Let's recap the awesome AI money-making strategies we've covered today. Tap into your inner digital Picasso with AI art generators like Midjourney and DALL-E. Create stunning artwork that sells on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. Unleash AI writing with Jasper and ChatGPT for blogs, marketing, or novels. Dive into AI-powered video creation with Synthesia and Descript. Automate video creation with Fleeky, turning blog posts into engaging videos. Now, before we wrap things up, I've got a little challenge for you. I want to know which AI tool you're most excited to try out on your journey to online money-making domination. Are you ready to unleash your inner artist with Midjourney and DALL-E? Or are you more of a wordsmith at heart, ready to conquer the world of AI writing with Jasper and ChatGPT? Maybe you're itching to create stunning videos with Synthesia and Descript, or perhaps you're ready to automate your way to success with Fleeky. Whatever your AI money-making dreams may be, I want to hear all about them in the comments below. Let me know which tool you're most excited to try and how you plan to use it to make those AI-powered dollars rain down upon you. And hey, while you're down there in the comments, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to making money online with AI. Remember, the future is here and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So what are you waiting for? Jump on board the AI money-making train and let's ride this wave of innovation all the way to the bank. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications for more awesome tips on how to make money online with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.